Namaste all the students from 8th standard 16th chapter surface area and volume. In this chapter we are going to learn volume of a cylinder. Let us observe this cylinder. Its base is circular and its radius is r. Also height of the cylinder is h. Okay. Now you know that the volume of any prism, common formula is there. It is equal to area of base into height. So area of base into height is the common formula for volume of a prism. Now observe the base here, which is circular in shape, and radius of that circle is r. So area of the base is pi r square, and height of the given cylinder is h. Volume of cylinder, it is equal to area of base, that is pi r square, and height, that is h. So it is pi r square h. So remember that formula for volume of cylinder, pi r वर्ग h, because the area of the base is pi r वर्ग and height is h. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now next, let us solve some examples based on this formula for volume of cylinder. First example here, find the volume of cylinder whose height is 10 centimeter and radius of the base is 5 centimeter. Now value of pi is given here 3.14. For solving this, let us write what the information given to us. So information given to us is given r is equal to, so radius of the base is 5 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter. So volume of cylinder, it is equal to pi r square h. Pi, the value of pi is 3.14 into r, that is 5 into 5, and into h, that is 10. So 5 into 5, 25 into 10, that is 250. 3.14 into 250. So multiply it and find the answer. So what is the answer? Very good, 785. Now the unit for volume of cylinder, if lengths are in centimeter, it is cubic centimeter. So volume of cylinder is 785 cubic centimeter. Okay. Now next, second example is given here. Height of the cylindrical drum is 56 centimeter. Find the radius of the drum if the capacity of drum is 70.4 liter, and value of pi is given as 22/7. So given information here, it is cylindrical drum and its height is 56 centimeters. Now we have to find radius. The capacity of drum is given here. Capacity of drum, it is equal to 70.4 liter. Now we know that we have to convert this capacity into volume. So liter should be converted into cubic centimeter, and we know that relation of liter into cubic centimeter. So 1 liter is equal to 10,000 cubic centimeters. So 70.4 into 10,000 cubic centimeter, it is equal to 70,400 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of given cylindrical drum. So volume is here. Now we know that relation between we know that the formula of volume of cylindrical drum. So volume of cylinder, it is equal to pi r square h, but it is 70,400. It is equal to value of pi, that is 22/7, into r square and into h, that is 56. So r square is equal to 70,400 multiplied by 7 upon 22 into 56. So do the calculation here. 7 1 is 7 and 7 8s are 56. 8 1 is 8, 8 8s are 64, 6 is the remainder, again 8 8s are 64 and 2 zeros. 22 1 is 22 and 22 4s are 88. So 400, r square is equal to 400. Taking square root on both the side, r is equal to 20 and its unit is centimeter. So radius of the base of the drum, radius of the drum or cylindrical drum, it is 20 centimeter. It's the answer of the given question. Okay, now next, third question is here. Radius of the solid copper cylinder is 4.2 centimeter and height is 16 centimeter. How many small discs of diameter 1.4 centimeter and thickness 1.2 centimeter can be made from this cylindrical cylinder melting it? Okay, so we have given copper cylinder which is cylindrical in shape. So given information, given for copper cylinder, its radius is given as 4.2 centimeter and its height is given as 16 centimeter. Now for a cylindrical disc, for a disc, diameter is given as 1.4 centimeter. So r is equal to half of the diameter, that is 0.7 centimeter, and thickness means height, it is equal to 0.2 centimeter. Now we have to made these discs from the copper cylinder. So let us consider the number of discs. Number of discs should prepared from this volume of the cylinder. It is equal to volume of copper cylinder upon volume of disc. And volume of copper cylinder formula is pi r square h. Volume of disc formula is pi small r square and small h. Now pi is constant here, so divide pi with pi. So r square h upon r square h. So r square, that is 4.2 into 4.2 into h is 16 upon r square, that is 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.2 is h. So now cancel the one decimal with one decimal, that is 42 into 42 into 16 upon 7 into 7 into 0.2. Now this 0.2 in the denominator can be make integer by multiplying numerator and denominator by 10. Therefore 42 into 42 into 16 into 10, that is 160 upon 7 into 7 into 2. Now 7 1 is 7 and 7 6 are 42. 7 1 is 7 and 7 6 are 42. Then 2 1 is 2 and 2 8s are 60. So 36 into 80. What is the answer here? It is equal to 2880. The number of discs made from these copper cylinder are 2880. Okay, now next. Now you have to solve practice set 16.3. In this practice set we are given here 4 examples. You have to solve these examples and ask any difficulty to your subject teacher. Also you have to show this solved practice set to your subject teacher. Okay, thank you.